welcome back to my channel, House of AB Design. I'm AB and I'm so happy that you clicked that thumbnail to watch this content. I am so excited. Today I'm doing a fireplace makeover. I'm in my living room and I have, this has been a 2-year back and forth in my mind what to do. Okay, I got this fireplace. It's an electric fireplace. I got it 2 years ago. And I got it at a store called Big Lots. I'm not sure if they have one in your area, but I got it there. It was a store display. It was inexpensive. It was the right price. I came there at the right time and got it home, and it fit the space perfectly as far as size and scale. But the color I wasn't really feeling. And also there are 2 blemishes on this. One is about here and the other one's here. And it looks like when someone put it together, when they assembled it, that they did the power tool a little too hard and it started poking the nail or the screw through a little too much. So it's laminate, and in order to fix it, you gotta, anything you do, you gotta repair pretty much the whole thing to keep everything cohesive. So with that said, I am kind of tired of this dark color. It's nothing wrong with the color. It's just I feel like with the decor in my living room, I have a more neutral palette, and I wanted something that wasn't going to stand out so much. I wanted to kind of tone this down. So I'm going to be using the Rust-Oleum chalked paint in the color Chiffon Cream. They say you don't have to prime it, so we're going to see just how true that is. And I'm going to cover it once I'm done with a polyacrylic. So if that's something that you want to see, then continue watching while I do this fireplace makeover. And here's the fireplace after 2 coats of the Rust-Oleum chalked paint in Chiffon Cream. Now you could stop here and just apply a seal, polyurethane, to protect the piece, but I decided to go a step further and apply a faux finish. Now with this finish, I mixed the Desert Dune paint with mostly water, and I put it in a cup. And what you see me doing now is applying it with a brush. I'm kind of applying it with a brush and then taking the finish off with a stain pad that I had on hand. So again, I'm applying it. It's rather watery, so you got to make sure you catch all the drips, and then just kind of chase it with the stain pad. Once again, applying it with the brush. You don't want this to sit on the on your piece and just wipe it off. And what I love about this is that it is very forgiving. If you can put as little or as, a little or a lot. You can wait till it dries, and if you don't like the finish, you can go back over it and make it a little bit darker. Once done, I went over it with a dry brush just to kind of blend the colors in. And here's the fireplace after applying the faux finish. I did end up touching up some areas off camera just to blend the colors a little better. Hey guys, it's day 2 and I am loving the way this is coming together. So as you have probably seen thus far, I put 2 coats of the Rust-Oleum's chalked paint in the color Chiffon Cream. It was 2 coats, and then I did some touch-ups in some areas, but I only needed 2 coats for coverage. And then I came back with a blend of mostly water and a desert dune color, some sample paint that I had lying around. So, and what I did was I streaked it on, and then I did kind of like the chasing method with a stain pad that I had as well, a very clean stain pad. So in doing so, I was able to camouflage the 2 blemishes, one here and here, so you never know what happened or what was going on. So now I'm waiting for this to dry, and once it dries, I'm going to apply a Minwax. It's a fast drying polyurethane out to seal it, so that when I go to clean or whatever, it doesn't take off the finish. So that's pretty much the only thing that's left, and then this baby will be ready for showtime. So while you're at it, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and share this video. And if you decide to do something like this, I'd be very interested to see how it turns out. Comment down below and just kind of attach your DIY as well. So keep watching. So here I am applying the Minwax polyurethane in satin finish. I don't want this piece super shiny, so I'm only putting 1 coat on. I might put an additional coat on the top just because it's going to have some items sitting on it, and I want to be able to just kind of wipe it off without the finish, without compromising the finish. What I noticed is that as I was applying the polyurethane, it gave a darker shade to the piece, which I am here for it all. I love the way this turned out. Hey guys, I think this turned out amazing. Why did I wait 2 years? But sometimes you just don't know what you want, and you gotta feel things out. But this was perfect. It toned the piece down a lot, it's neutral, and it goes with my living room decor. Make sure you tune into my next video where you'll see how I style this and my living room in my fall living room makeover. Until next time, thanks for watching.